Kagoshimbaktoti si arxis ser akarmike. Could the next global pandemic be lurking in our backyards, hidden among our feathered friends? Recent concerns have emerged about the potential for a bird flu pandemic, with cases already surfacing in the United States. Officials believe that the risk to the public is minimal at this point, but there's a gnawing worry about the virus evolving to spread among humans. This situation underscores the dire need for proactive government action on multiple fronts. We're talking about investing in research for effective vaccines designed to combat this particular strain of bird flu. We're talking about ramped up surveillance of both livestock and humans to detect and respond to any signs of spread. And we're talking about comprehensive emergency response planning that can be activated at the first sign of a wider outbreak. These measures are not just necessary but critical. As the world still grapples with the aftermath of COVID-19, the potential threat of another pandemic looms. The COVID-19 pandemic underscored the importance of global pandemic preparedness, but are we ready for the next one? The answer, unfortunately, is not as reassuring as we'd hope. Across the globe, there are significant gaps in pandemic preparedness. These gaps are not just about resources or infrastructure, but also about funding. Take the United States, for example. Despite being one of the most advanced nations in the world, the current funding for pandemic influenza is insufficient. This is a sobering reminder that financial commitment is as crucial as scientific advancement when it comes to combating pandemics. According to the Global Health Security Index, many countries share similar vulnerabilities. Their pandemic preparedness capabilities are wanting, underscoring the need for a collective global response. And this is where initiatives like the World Bank Pandemic Fund come into play. By strengthening global pandemic preparedness capacity, they aim to ensure that we're not just reacting to pandemics, but proactively preparing for them. With the clock ticking, it is crucial for nations to invest in building their pandemic preparedness capacity. The threat is real, and the time to act is now. We cannot afford to sit idly by, waiting for the next pandemic to sweep across the globe. Instead, we must push for proactive measures. This includes increased investment in research for effective vaccines, robust surveillance of both livestock and humans, and comprehensive emergency response planning. And it's not just about doing this at a national level. The interconnectedness of our world means that a threat to one is a threat to all. It underscores the importance of international cooperation in strengthening global pandemic preparedness capacity. We must support initiatives that aim to bolster global health security, like the World Bank Pandemic Fund. We need to close the funding gaps in pandemic preparedness, both nationally and internationally. Our approach must be comprehensive. We must look at all aspects of health, including addressing systemic issues like racism that can exacerbate the impact of a pandemic. We must learn from the lessons of COVID-19 and ensure that we're not caught off guard again. As we stand at the precipice of a potential new pandemic, the question remains, are we prepared, or will history repeat itself? Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.